Good morning parents, good morning grade 3s. I hope it's going very well. I hope you're ready for more maths so you can get your booklets and let's get started. Okay guys, page 121. So yesterday we ended by counting in fives. So today we are going to continue counting in fives. Okay, so here we have 3 rows, A, B, and C. So all you have to do, start with this number over here, and then you're gonna continue counting in fives. But just be careful, make sure whether you're counting forwards or backwards. So you can see here, it starts with 85 and then here it's 70. So that it means they're counting backwards. So it's 85, 80. 75, 70. Okay, so you're just going to continue counting in fives backwards. Look here, 240 and then 255. So you can see they are counting forwards. So remember at A, B, and C, you are counting in fives. Use your 200 sheet to help you. Okay, then here in the middle of this page, we have a 5 rand coin. Do you see that? So we are gonna count by using 5 rand coins. Okay. So the children collect 5 rand coins. How many 5 rand coins do they need to collect to have? We'll finish that in. Fill that in. Okay, so we have done the first 2 for you. So look at the first 2. Can you see they are doing, what do we call this again? It's called division. They are doing division. Okay, remember, division is when you take something, a number, and you divide it into groups equally. Equally is very important. So, an easy way to do division, you have 5 divided by 5. Okay, so you can start with the second part. The second part will tell you how many groups there should be. And there should be 5 groups. Now we have 5 sweets, for example. This time we have 5 rand. So 5 rand. We have 5 rand and it has to go into these groups. Well, I only have 4 groups. There's a 5th one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means we're going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have more than 5, so we've done all of the 5. And how many do you see in each group? Only 1. Therefore, it's 1 coin. Okay, now, so that's an easy way that you can work out all of these equations over here. Okay, so the second one, I'm going to do the second one with you. Okay, the second one, they started with 10. So they have 10, the number 10. How many groups are there? Also 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to divide the number 10 into these groups to make sure each group has the same amount. So we have 10, so we're going to divide 10 into the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've done 10. How many are in each group? 2 coins. Okay, so that's how you can do it. You can do it on a separate paper to work out your final answer. So the third one, this time you have the number 15. Again, guys, you are going to have 5 groups. Okay, so with all of them, it's going to be divided by 5. And they give you the number here at the beginning. 15 Rand divided by 5 Rand. So you take the 15, how many groups? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you are going to divide it, the 15 into the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many are there in each group? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see that each group has 3. So it means 15 Rand equals to 3 coins. Okay. And then you can continue with the rest. Then here at the bottom, if you have 2 5 Rands, how much will that be? If you have 3 5 Rand coins, how much will that be? So all you're going to do is you're going to count in 5 twice, count in 5 3 times, count in 5 4 times, count in 5 6 times. Again, if you know your timetables, this will be very easy for you to do, because it's basically 2 times 5, 3 times 5, 4 times 5, 6 times 5. Okay, so that's why it's important to know your timetables, because you can use it even when you work with money. Okay. Now, even this little boy is asking, do you see the pattern? And the pattern is they are counting in 5s. Okay, the number pattern. Here at the bottom of the page, we are still continuing with 5s. So 1 times 5 equals to 5. They were just giving you some examples of the 5 timetable. So it's similar to what we did yesterday. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So what is 3 times 5? 4 times 5. 5 times 5. So they didn't show you times 5, but just know each of them are actually times 5. So you just have to get the answer to that. Okay, now that would be it for page 121.